Imagine being given 10 extra years, not to live, but to invest. Would you take them? Most people would say yes, but here's the truth. If you're in your 20s, you already have that opportunity. The problem is, most people don't realize how valuable those years are until they're gone. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest financial mistakes people make in their 20s and how avoiding it can completely change your future. When most people are in their 20s, retirement feels like something that's decades away. Bills feel immediate. Rent is due. Student loans may be waiting. Cars need repairs. Life feels expensive. Because retirement seems so far away, many people decide they'll start investing later. The problem is, time is one of the most valuable assets an investor has. Imagine two friends. One starts investing at 25. The other waits until 35. Even if the second friend earns more money later in life, the first friend often has a major advantage because their investments had more time to grow. This doesn't mean you need thousands of dollars to begin. Many people start with small amounts and increase their investments as their income grows. The important habit is consistency. Another common mistake is trying to become rich overnight. Social media often makes it seem like everyone is making huge amounts of money with the latest trend. But long-term wealth usually looks much less exciting. Saving consistently, learning new skills, investing regularly, avoiding unnecessary debt, making thoughtful financial decisions. These habits aren't flashy, but over many years, they can have a powerful impact. Your 20s are also one of the best times to invest in yourself. Learning new skills, improving your education, building valuable experience, starting a side business, developing healthy financial habits. These investments can increase your earning potential for decades. Another mistake people often make is comparing themselves to others. One friend buys a luxury car, another posts expensive vacations. Another seems to have everything figured out. But appearances rarely tell the full story. Financial success isn't about looking wealthy. It's about creating stability and options for your future. Money should reduce stress, not increase it. The goal isn't simply to earn more, it's to build a life where your money supports your goals instead of controlling them. The best time to start making smart financial decisions isn't next year. It isn't after your next promotion. It's today. Every smart choice builds momentum. Every dollar saved creates opportunity. Every investment gives your future another chance to grow. If you're in your 20s, you have something incredibly valuable. Time. Use it wisely. If you're already past your 20s, don't worry. The second best time to start is today. The sooner you begin, the more opportunities you give yourself in the future. If you enjoyed today's lesson, subscribe and join us for more practical money advice explained in simple language.